Hey creators, today we breaking down the top Instagram influencers in the United States right now who is trending in 2026, what they post about, and exactly why they're blowing up online. This is the inside scoop on the strategies that are working, so let's get right into it. Kicking things off, we have to talk about the names dominating your feeds. First up, at number 5, is Khloé Kardashian. As a powerhouse from reality TV, Khloé has mastered the art of combining her on-screen fame with incredibly relatable lifestyle updates. She shares everything from fitness routines to family moments, giving her a massive reach and keeping her audience deeply connected both on and off the screen. Next, at number 4, we have the one and only Ariana Grande. This pop superstar uses her Instagram as a direct line to her massive fan base of over 300 million followers. Her feed is a brilliant mix of music teasers, high fashion looks, and personal lifestyle content. It's this blend that creates a strong, emotional connection with her audience and keeps her at the very top of the social media world. Coming in at number 3 is the beauty and fashion queen herself, Kylie Jenner. Kylie's Instagram is a masterclass in trend setting. She uses her platform to showcase the latest styles, launch her viral products, and share just enough personal moments to keep her followers completely captivated. Every single post is an event, and that's why she remains in the absolute top tier of influence. Now, for our number 2 spot, we have IShowSpeed. If you've been on the internet at all, you know his name. Speed's Instagram has absolutely exploded, rocketing to 42 million followers. Why? Because his feed is a non-stop stream of high-energy clips, hilarious memes, and viral moments that are impossible to ignore. His content is fast, funny, and perfectly designed to keep fans coming back for more every single day. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is Noah Schnapp. Best known for his role as Will Byers in Stranger Things, Noah's growth has been incredible, reaching over 22.8 million followers. He's not just an actor. He's a creator who shares authentic lifestyle content and exclusive behind-the-scenes glimpses into his life. His genuine personality shines through, and that's why his audience is growing so fast. So, what's the secret sauce? What makes these specific influencers so popular right now? It really comes down to a few key factors. First, it's all about engaging content. These stars are not just posting randomly. They are consistently delivering high-quality, personal, and visually stunning content that their audience loves. This consistent effort is what drives that insane engagement and follower growth. Another huge factor is their cross-platform influence. The top creators don't just stick to Instagram. They are everywhere on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter. By being active on multiple platforms, they create a massive ecosystem that funnels audiences back and forth, amplifying their reach far beyond what a single platform could achieve. It's a smart strategy that builds a loyal, multi-channel community. But perhaps the most important element is authenticity. In 2026, authenticity wins, period. People follow these stars because they feel real and relatable. Whether it's Noah sharing a funny moment from the set, Kylie showing off a new look, or Khloé talking about her day, as those genuine glimpses into their lives that build trust and make fans feel like they were part of an inner circle. And of course, we can't forget the power of viral moments. These influencers are masters at creating buzz. From launching viral challenges and teasing new music to dropping limited edition fashion and sharing everyday snippets that turn into memes, they know how to capture the internet's attention and keep their audience completely locked in. That's how you stay relevant in such a fast-paced world. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a few bonus influencers you should absolutely have on your radar. First, there's Piper Raquel. She's a young creator who is killing it by merging dance, comedy, and lifestyle content into a super engaging package. Also, check out Jake Warden, a makeup and beauty artist who is completely flipping the script on traditional beauty content with his creative and inspiring posts. And finally, keep an eye on Paige Lorenz. She is a fashion and lifestyle influencer with a powerful personal brand that is all about authenticity and style. These creators are definitely ones to watch. And that's your trend snapshot of Instagram's biggest US stars for 2026. I hope this gave you some valuable insights into what's working right now. If you want weekly updates on top creators and social media growth strategies, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and let me know who you follow and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.